3, 2, 1. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. It's the day of CPI. I'm ready. I'm focused. I'm energized. Let's go do this thing. Say CPI. CPI. CPI.
Wow.
First time you've seen Future Life.
Judah.
Fun fact. Nobody can get my Future Life to milk ratio right except me. It's like mixing a cement. You know, you have to make a hole in the middle. See there? Make a hole in the middle. Then you pour the milk in the middle.
And you don't like the milk jug. Only the cup.
Only the cup. I'm surprised today I'm not spilling milk.
You know it's
Then
your
I
own
gotta
life
mix it.
scale, right? If you spill milk, then you can have another child.
I don't want any more children.
I must give them a
CPI
milk.
day.
Okay.
Oof, CPI day. Are you ready for CPI?
Yeah.
Let's go get it.
CPI.
So I just got into my office and looks like they beat me to it. Whole family's here already. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna mark up the charts now. Check what's happening for CPI so we can kill it. Guys, what do you think is happening for CPI? Are you buying or selling? Huh? Are you selling for CPI? Are you buying or selling, babe? Baba, are you buying or selling? Every time it's CPI or NFP, my phone goes crazy in the morning. People messaging, asking about CPI, what's the direction, give me a free trade, all of those things. So it's buzzing at the moment, but I'm just looking at the charts, scrolling through, not doing any heavy analysis. I'm feeling quite confident about CPI. I've done my analysis, both technical and fundamentals. Now I'm ready to go, just waiting for the time. I've got a few more hours. I'm gonna go and get on with my day, spend some time with the family, do what I need to, and then it will be time to take CPI. I just got done, ready for the CPI. I'm about to head into my office one last time to check the charts, see if anything has changed, update my groups and so on, and then I'm ready to head out for CPI. I'm just updating all of my Telegram groups. I'm giving them some insight as to what I see on CPI. We've got a few more hours to go. What's it, about 2 or 3 more hours to go, and then it's CPI time. I'm excited for this one. Seems like it's going to be good, but let's see. Babe, what you doing here?
I didn't finish my makeup, but Judah already knows that he's distracted, so I'm scared to go inside. Or else he'll cry.
Yo. They said get married. It's finally time. We're about to head out of the house. And the reason why I don't trade CPI at home or NFP is because I've got like 100 children running around.
You have two!
So it's too much of noise. I need to be focused. I need to be calm. I need to be collected. I need to be all in motion. So we're heading out to our CPI destination where we will trade CPI. Let's go. You ready? Is your account funded?
Yeah.
Let's do this. wife calls this the doctor's briefcase. Let me tell you why. It's because I know how to operate. Let's go. Hello. I'm your doctor, babe.
I'm so sick all the time.
Go full margin.
I don't like CPI.
What?
We don't have a good relationship.
Hey. Where's your confidence? Trading 101. You gotta be confident in yourself before you can be confident in the markets. I'm in the buy then. I'm already 100k up there. Look,
Take it. Take it and go.
3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Bam!
This is
CPI! CPI! Bam! Done! JMONEY! Yeah!
good one.
Oh! Yo!
Sure.
Yeah! Yeah!
What a big push.
Yeah! What? What? Ha ha ha! Yo 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 yo! Ah! Ah! Bam!
Good one. Ow! He's so excited.
Yo, bam, 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 CPI done. Just like that, 2,000 plus cups secured on the CPI trade with JMONEY. You excited, babe?
Yeah.
I'm taking you out for dinner tonight. Yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah, that's a wrap. We just got done with CPI. Bam, 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 bam. All done, babe. How you feeling?
Good. I made 25k.
Aish, babe, you know when you come into the picture, automatically look darker because you sit there. But anyway, we are done. It's been an amazing day. Yeah, it's been an amazing day of trading, of showing you guys a bit about myself and my family.
Also, guys, just to clarify, in the Instagram video, I wasn't confused. Okay, I was confused, but that's because my trading view lagged, and I don't know what was happening. I was very confused at that moment, but then I was happy. Just to clarify that, I know what I'm doing.
So now, I'm gonna take my lady with my other lady there.
Excuse me.
That one. And we're gonna head back home. That's a wrap. CPI done. Catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.